fudge.
Oh no.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? So here we're removing these trees. They're marked with the pink ribbon. There's one tree here that was super big and you could see in the preview was not fun to push over. Maybe one of the scariest things I've done. It was odd oval shaped, maybe 4.5 foot wide at one side and maybe 3 at the other. You can't really tell in the video, but it was a monster. So I had my dad come out and help me push it over. Some of the challenges to this was there's houses on this back side, and there's houses left to right, and there's a house down below towards where we're pushing it. And the tree was leaning, so made it very difficult and scary. I would have never done this on my own, but my dad said he would help and we could do it, so I went for it.
fudge. Oh, fudge. Don't hit the house. Don't hit the house. Woo!
Oh no.
I'll get on your machine and help out. What a mess.
Yeah, what a mess.
So all the trees are down now. Feel pretty relieved. What happened with that last tree was it got tangled with some other trees that were maybe 20 feet apart, and it literally tried to split right in between the two trees and go directly left towards that house. But I managed to push it away and thankfully just missed the houses. What a relief. Now it's time to get everything cleaned up, get the logs all bucked up, ready to go to the mill, and clean this job up. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope y'all enjoyed.